What's up everyone, welcome to Roy the Explorer. This is Anirban. Hope you are doing absolutely fine and safe at home. However, as you all know that our country is in a lockdown situation because of coronavirus, our PM already informed stay at home, be safe. However, there are few people who has to go out in public because of their jobs or their work. So for them it's very difficult to wash their hand every 20 minutes. So hand sanitizer is must for them because they need to sanitize their hands before touching their face. So you know now how important is hand sanitizer. However, as all of us know that hand sanitizer is not available in the market because of the shortage. So I'll show you some quick tips how you can create your own hand sanitizer at home and carry this hand sanitizer when you will be out in public. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So in this case, we are using 99.9% alcohol, which is the surgical spirit, and aloe vera gel and glycerin. Because aloe vera and glycerin will moisturize your hand while the 99.9% alcohol will kill those virus. So the proportionate ratio would be 3 is to 1. So 3 tablespoon of alcohol with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and few drops of glycerin. So we need to whisk it for some time so it will mix properly with the alcohol. So all those ingredients should mix properly. So you need to whisk it for some time and then use a dropper to take this mixture to a container which you can carry while you will be out in public. So you can use it as hand sanitizer, which will sanitize your hand and it will be germ free. All these ingredients will be available in Amazon and Flipkart. So you can order online. You no need to go out and get this particular product. So I'll put the link in the description so you can order it from there as well. So just check how it will work. So guys, this time I'll not say like, comment and share. I just say please share this video with your friends who need hand sanitizer. And if you have any doubts, please comment down below and do let me know. I'll reply and I'll clear your doubts. So with that said guys, I'm going to close this video here. Hope you will take care of yourself and be safe. Till the next video. Tada. Bye bye.